best easy things to do. How to make a mouse. For this activity, you will need the following equipment: a dark coloured card, a lighter coloured scrap card, which can either be red, orange, pink or yellow, a black pen, scissors, and a glue stick. Step 1. Fold the dark card in half and cut along the crease. As you can see in this demonstration, we fold the shorter edge. Step 2. Fold one of the dark A5 papers that you just cut in half along the long edge. Step 3. Using a pencil, draw a slightly curved line at one end of the folded card as demonstrated in the video. You can pause the video when the drawing is complete to copy the drawing. Step 4. Using a pencil, draw an isosceles triangle shape near the end of the other side of the folded paper as demonstrated in the video. Step 5. Cut along the pencil lines. This will be the mouse's body. Step 6. On the lighter coloured card, cut a thin strip of paper about 0.5 centimeters wide. This will be the mouse's tail. Your strip of paper should be around the same length as the mouse's body. Step 7. Tidy up the ends of the thin strip. As you can see here, we curve one of the ends of the thin strip. Step 8. Copy the line shown in the diagram. The line should be around 1 centimeter long and 1 centimeter into the mouse's body. Step 9. Find the scrap dark card from the folded A5 paper. Cut a thin triangle from it along the remaining folded edge. Step 10. Stick the triangle down as shown in the demonstration. You can trim any part sticking out. It is important that you stick everything down firmly. 11. Cut out 2 small squares around the same size and stick them down as shown in the demonstration. Then, trim the edges. Stick the squares down so that it covers the points of the mouse's body. This will be the mouse's nose. Step 12. Draw 2 identical circles on the lighter paper around 5 centimeters across. Then cut them out. Step 13. Draw another circle on the darker card that has a width of around 6 centimeters. Then cut it out. You can do this for both circles. One way of achieving this is by drawing around the 2 cut-out circles onto the darker paper and then draw another circle around them that has a 1 centimeter rim. This method is shown in the demonstration. Step 14. Stick the lighter circle onto the darker circle so there is around a 1 centimeter gap. Make sure that both circles are aligned in the center. Step 15. Cut out a strip with a height of around 1 centimeter and a length of around a thumb. Then stick the strip down to link the two circles. Step 16. Slot the ear onto the mouse's body, where the 1 centimeter slot is cut, and pull the sides of the body out. Step 17. Stick the tail of the mouse to the body, as shown in the demonstration. Then, decorate the mouse with a black pen by drawing the face and the lines on the tail. And here is your finished product, the mouse. The mouse was demonstrated by Rachel Lamb. The video created and edited by Victor Lamb. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy.